to visit one of the members of Parliament, Honorable Elotu, who got an accident and is in ICU, but his condition is stable. He's actually recovering. I want to thank the management of Mulago. First, when I entered, I expected something different, but I was very impressed when I entered. The place is neat, it's well taken care of. And we thank God for really that you have taken care of this institution. We know how many patients you receive on a daily basis, and we know the challenges you get. But as government, as Parliament, we will try our best to see how we support you. What is disappointing is we have a very functional ICU, but we don't have human resource. We have an ICU of 29 beds, but only 14 are operational. I'm going to urge my colleagues in this financial year, we should be able to increase the money for health, for all the ICUs to be operational. We will support you. This is our main referral hospital. Mulago must remain operational, and we'll do whatever it takes to make sure that the place is operational. And since we're even hosting visitors in December, the whole of next year, we'll make sure that we will also support as Parliament to renovate some private wings. We want to thank you again, and we thank you for looking after our people and continue with that good heart. It takes courage for somebody to look after patients the way these people are looking after these patients. I've seen some of them in bad condition, but they are so patient and they are trying their best to save these people. We thank you for that. And